Good afternoon to you all. Today I am going to talk about the great freedom fighter Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India and every citizen is aware of his achievements. He was quite famous among children, that's why children call him Chacha Nehru. Because of his love for children, the government celebrates his birthday as a Children's Day. Chacha Nehru was a great leader who loves his country immensely. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. Furthermore, his father was a Motilal Nehru who was a lawyer by occupation, and he was a very rich, because of which he got the best education. Moreover, he was sent abroad for studies at an early age in England. He got his education from two universities, namely Cambridge and Harrow University. In 1910, Nehruji completed his degree. He was an average guy in his students and does not have much interest in studying law. Instead, he had an interest in politics. However, later on, he became a lawyer and practiced law in Allahabad High Court. He married to SMT Kamala Devi at the age of 24. After they gave birth to the daughter whom they named Indira. After India got independence, Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, he was the man of inordinate vision. Also, he was a great leader, politician and writer too. Moreover, he always worked for day and night for the betterment of the country and its people. Most noteworthy, he gave the slogan Arham Haram Hai, which simply means rest is not best. He was a man of peace and accord, but when he saw how Britishers treat Indians, he decided to join the freedom movement because of his love for the country. He shook hands with Mahatma Gandhi. Consequently, he joined non-cooperation movement of Mahatma Gandhi. During the freedom struggle, he faced many challenges. Even he went to jail many times for protesting against Britishers. But his love for the country, he and other leaders fought a great fight which resulted in the independence of the country. On 15th August 1947, India got his independence. And because of the efforts, Pandit Nehru was elected as the first Prime Minister of India. He was a modern and progressive thinker, and he was always want to make India a modern civilized country. However, there was a difference in the thinking of Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. Also, they have different ideologies towards society and cultivation. Nehru wanted a modern India. On the other hand, Gandhi was of ancient India. Nehru at all times wanted to go in a forward direction, regardless of the religious and cultural variances in the country. At that time, there was a pressure of religious freedom in the country, and the main motive was unite the country. So with all this pressure, Nehru led the country in modern and scientific efforts. He achieved great things as a Prime Minister, and he changed ancient Hindu culture that helped the Hindu widows a lot. Moreover, this change had given women equal rights like men. Have they include the right to inheritance and property. Although Nehru was a great Prime Minister, a problem that stressed him a lot was issue of Kashmir region between India and Pakistan. However, he tried to settle this dispute many times, but the problem was still here. Pandit Nehru was a great man who makes many sacrifices for the country. Also, because of his effort in the freedom struggle, he was made the first Prime Minister of India. Thank you and Jai Hind.